dito po kasi unlike sa atin diyan sa Pilipinas na ang mga public holidays natin is very limited. Dito in every month they almost have a public holiday that they celebrate and they really
Hmm.
take that as sacred. And so hindi sila happy doon kasi syempre they will be having a lesser time to spend with their family or whatever na gusto nilang gawin during that day. And then meron yung budget cuts like always. This is not new. Meron parang sa South Korea. Ang budget cut nila dito na pinopropose is 40 billion euros cuts na tatanggalin nila sa social spending and many more. So marami ang natatakot kasi for example, yung mga parents, single parents that are not really working, usually may natatanggap po kasi sila galing sa government. Meron
Mm.
silang ayuda sa upa ng bahay, ayuda sa pagkain, and that's going directly to their bank. And then dun sa social securities part, kasama din yung health. So dito po, for example, marami mga Pilipino walang papel, pero if they have what you call medical data, yun yung tulong ng gobyerno sa mga tao kahit na wala kang papel, is that they cover 100% of your hospitalization and everything else. So
Mm.
this will be affected. And marami ang French that are in poverty as well, not only in the Philippines. So this is one of the reasons why they held these rallies. But it's nothing new na sa mga rallies there is violence. Kasi ugali na nila na pag nagrarally sila, especially mga kabataan, minsan, they burn, garbage bins. So, surely magkakaroon ng mga, like an accident for that restaurant in that building na talagang nagliyab siya at kumalat. And if we're going to, it's not as worse as yung time ni former President Nicolas Sarkozy before that they were burning cars. So it's not to that gravity, pero it could get worse if there are no solutions na may present ng government
Mm.
sa France for now.
Okey po. Ano yung, meaning behind naman po ano, Ma'am Vladilite nitong, slogan nung, Black Everything, protest na tinatawag po, anong meaning behind that po, Ma'am?
Well, the thing is that if they block everything, ibig sabihin mapaparalyze, for example,
Hmm.
traffic. Dito we don't have the traffic that you have in the Philippines. So, pag block mo yung traffic, maraming magagalit and business is affected. And they will block anything from any administrative actions as well. So, kumbaga meron siyang domino effect when you block everything. But one thing that they're calling for is the resignation of the president now, which happened last year, kaya nagkaroon ng elections.
Mm.
So this is a very high tension time dito po sa France kasi hindi po natin alam kung ano yung mangyayari until magkaroon sila ng agreement between all these parties, the leading party of course, the government, and the ones that are in opposition.
Mm. Okey.